From the supermarket to the restaurant, it's hard to escape. But what is this popular fish, and how is it raised? How are millions of salmon raised and processed? And why does the world's biggest salmon producer export 98% of its harvest? You're about to find out. This is our documentary. Farmed salmon is now one of the most consumed fish in the world. In 2021, the global market for farmed salmon reached $20 billion. So let's follow the life cycle of a salmon from egg to your plate. The story begins at a hatchery, where salmon eggs are incubated until they hatch into fry. At around 3 to 4 grams, they're transferred to freshwater, where they grow to around 150 grams. Then they're moved to seawater pens to finish their lives. There they grow up to 5 kilograms. Modern hatcheries are controlled environments that ensure high survival rates, prevent diseases, and provide optimal conditions for the best growth. Workers must maintain optimal water temperature, dissolved oxygen, and photoperiod. They also perform regular water changes to ensure the highest quality water. At the right size, salmon are moved to sea pens, large ocean enclosures, where they live in groups of up to 1 million fish per pen. The pens are anchored to the seabed and are typically 100 meters wide and 30 meters deep. Despite their massive size, they provide a near-natural environment for the fish to swim, feed, and behave like they would in the wild. Staff monitor key parameters such as water quality, oxygen levels, temperature, and fish health on a constant basis. If any issues arise, the staff can quickly take corrective action to ensure the well-being of the fish. To thrive in their environment, salmon are fed specialized feed. The feed typically consists of fish meal, oils, and other nutrients to accelerate growth and maintain quality. By controlling what they eat, farmers can ensure the fish are healthy and reach the desired size and fat content. Farmed salmon are typically harvested when they reach market size, usually between 5 and 7 kilograms. The harvesting process begins with stunning the fish to ensure humane treatment. Stunning can be done using a combination of air, stunning, and bleeding methods. These methods are designed to minimize stress and ensure the fish is rendered unconscious before it stops beating. After stunning, the fish are carefully loaded onto trucks and transported to processing plants. At the plant, the fish are gutted, filleted, frozen, or smoked. Automation is widely used in processing plants to ensure efficiency and food safety. Salmon is one of the most popular fish in the world, so the industry works hard to meet demand. Once the salmon is processed, it enters the supply chain and is exported all over the world. It ends up in supermarkets, restaurants, and with processed food manufacturers, who use it in a variety of products. Farmed salmon is an important source of protein for millions of people around the world. The industry also provides thousands of jobs and generates significant revenue for coastal communities. However, it's not without its critics. Some argue that the use of antibiotics and pesticides in salmon farming can have negative impacts on the environment. Others worry that escapees can interbreed with wild salmon, and that farmed salmon may contain contaminants such as PCBs and dioxins. Still, others are concerned about the sustainability of using wild-caught fish to feed farmed salmon. Despite these concerns, the salmon farming industry is a big business, and it shows no signs of slowing down. In fact, the industry is investing in innovation and technology to increase yield and reduce its environmental impact. For example, companies are investing in genetic selection of fish, automated feeding systems, and AI-driven monitoring to keep fish safe from diseases. Thank you for watching this episode. We hope you learned something new. Please subscribe if you haven't already, and leave a comment below if you have any thoughts or feedback. We look forward to seeing you in the next episode. Until then, take care and see you soon.